Alright, what is good, y'all? We're back with another video. And today, y'all know when Popeyes... Okay, so y'all know when Popeyes, y'all heard of the new Popeyes chicken sandwich? Well, guess what? Hey, I got the new chicken sandwich, you know what I'm saying? And today is a reaction video, so I'm gonna show y'all my reaction to the sandwich. So, I'm gonna take my first bite of this sandwich. Look at the sandwich. Woo! I already took a bite. Okay, I'm trying to. Sorry, but I couldn't wait because I'm trying to get this video out for y'all guys so y'all can see it, but it's just my phone keeps on acting up. But we're back. But really, my first bite. So, 3, 2, 1. Ain't that bad. Spicy, but not that bad. Oh, y'all know that they have pickles on them, but I don't do pickles. But it's good. Hey, this beat. Hey, what? Hey, 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 hey. Know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with the Star Wars. You know what I'm saying? Corey Kitchen. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's stop. So yeah, that's my reaction for this sandwich, but it's good. Spicy, but it's still good. So yeah, that's my video for today. And yeah, if y'all like this video, like and subscribe and turn on notifications so I can drop. Oh, I just dropped my controller. Don't worry about it. I dropped my controller, but anyway, turn on notifications so I could drop videos on y'all heads. So yeah, and comment below if y'all like the sandwich or you don't like the sandwich. So let me know in the comment section. So I'm out this thing. Have a great Saturday, and I'm out. Peace. Love you guys. Bye. And oh, one more thing. I'm getting a YouTube channel very soon. I want to do gaming for y'all and more reactions. I don't know what's my channel gonna be called, but I thought I saw something. But it's probably nothing. But anyway. So yeah, I don't know what's my channel gonna be called, but yeah, but I know I'm getting it very soon. So yeah. So that's the video for today. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.